Hello everyone. Hey, as you know, for those who knows me, because this video is privately made for those who knows me, just so I can kind of show you the type of project I work as a hobby for myself. I have other projects also that I've launched, but this is very unique project. I just want to show you what I have been building just for fun because I have over 17 years of trading stock and loving how to trade stock and loving to trade stock and loving how to trade stock as well. So I built something phenomenal. I want to walk you through quickly. As you see this interface for those who trade in the trade community, what this is, right? You may or you may not know what it is if you don't know stock, but I want to drive you there. We are in the age of AI. I want to bring you straight to AI, right? What is this? This is a TradeHive, which is the name of my applications. And what does the application does? These applications takes uh, anything that is predictable from a stock standpoint, right? From a company that is publicly trading, right? Which is called stock. This takes any stock that you can search for and it give you the overview of that stock, give you the confidence level of how you can enter buying that stock or selling that stock, give you all the signals possible, and I'll walk you through the NFS. And the second tab is an AI signal, right? What this is, as you can see, I just click it and it gives you the signal of stock that has a high probability of being bullish, right? So it gave me a total of 20. Sometimes it can be more. Sometimes it can be just one stock that if it can find, right? So, and if I just click on the bullish scenario here, it gave me that next week, in the next 2 weeks, Adobe has 61% of chance to be bullish, right? And what is it that I have to do if I'm a trader? I have this signal, and you can add the signal to the tab, or you can run a deeper analysis of why the AI gave you such a sentiment like that. And you can kind of see the metric that the AI is going by, the score, the institutional ownership, and everything, right? And you can do that for yourself. You can also add it to your watch list, and it will be in your watch list. This also has a bearish, where it tells you the stock that's going to go down, right, in the next 2 weeks. So how are you going to play it? It depends on the strategies that you are comfortable with, and whether you play it safe or whether you play in a way where it's more conservative for you, such as options or buying or shorting the stock. That's up to you as well, right? And this also has option predictor. It gives you a neutral base with high IV stock that's going to boom, right? If you buy 2 weeks or 1 month, it gave you. I love option. So so I can, this is really good, right? So I'm recording this video on 9/7. As you see, some of the stock here, you can kind of see that Microsoft has been doing, has been going down lately. Advo, Broadcom also has gone up and down. So this is very neutral because it has no uncertainty of being bullish or bearish. So option is great for that, right? So when you trade option, either you buy it to go up or down. One day, if it goes up, you can kind of make the money you want, right? This has a watch list. See, it just the watch list that I set up, and then you can add more stock. And this, when you add it, you can also set up an alert where, if your browser allow, I'm in a private browser right now. In some browsers that are not private, it allow you to turn the alert on, and this is also compatible, right, for both iOS and for both cell phone or tablet. You see how the screen is, is coming down to the cell phone mode and things like that, right? Which is beautiful, right? So and the next what I've built next is option flow, right? I love option. So trading option is very important, right? So what you want to look at is, what is coming down, what are people are doing, right, beside you. If you see some of the contract people are buying here, they have a different sentiment to the market, right? They sweep, the dark pool, the unusual activity that is happening to the stock. And this is really live, right? You kind of see the date, 9/13, 10 Disney, $69, 10.9. It's a put, so you can kind of understand what people are doing, what's going to happen. You look at the contract. This is 800 contract of options for Disney, right? That's huge, right? So if you can see the contract that are coming in with their aspirations and their confidence volume, 99% confident that Disney is going to be $69, right? So this is the things that I look for, right? A call, right? SPY just turned right now as it updates every 30 seconds. This is very live data, right? That you are looking at. SPY just, it just updated right now, right? 9/7, which is today. I think the market's open in few minutes now. And, somebody probably put a high volume 400 contract of SPY going up, right? This is huge for me, right? So if I get many of this through this AI model, I add it up, and then you can kind of see the unusual activities on a particular option that are coming in. So those are the three biggest models that are built into this app that is very important for any trader. From a coding standpoint, I've kind of build this, through coding and different AI tools and things that, any coders can see this, the behind the scene code and so on, right? So the most interesting part of this app is not just stock AI and stuff, right? And options, right? This one also, I have a video about it. So for instance, if you search NVIDIA, for instance, right? NVIDIA, it will give you the AI confidence on NVIDIA and everything. I'll do more video to kind of walk you through. This is a very interesting model, the AI search and the AI signal. All of them are very interesting because it puts you in it, right? If you and it update every 30 seconds, right? So you can wake up, we have 19,000 stock out there. So I don't expect that only one stock is going to be coming here for you as a bullish. I want, more stock to be coming here for you. Right now, Adobe is the solid one that's going to be bullish, ADBE. So maybe tomorrow I'll play it, right? And I'll play it. Maybe I'll wait to see how the market does tomorrow before I play it, right? So it's up to you and your confidence level entering the market. And I also build the trade community. Trading is a community, right? So there's a tons of us there that are putting a lot of money buying something that we don't really see, right? So this is a community where you can come and put anything that you want, right? You can really put a post, right? You can put, hey, Apple is going up or something, do some analysis, predictions or so, and then post, Apple is going up, right? With my confidence, right? And then you can post it into this community and you describe what you feel like. So it gives people voice, and that voice will transform into model that's going to continuously rebuild the app from a community mindset standpoint. Like the so-called Reddit tool, right? It's the same thing, right? We're giving the voice for people. So it's not just the AI telling you to do something, but you can also be looking at something that the AI is not looking at, that the community wants to know, and the AI will pick it up, right? This is also called community, right? This was a trading room where you can post anything. This is trading community where you can post anything that is happening on the market, right? If you're day trading a stock, you can say, hey, I'm day trading this stock. If you find an option that is great for you, you put it here. If earning play, you have some idea, or I have some idea, or folks that are managing the app behind the scene have some idea. If there's a signal, you see there's a signal for Tesla and so on, sell Tesla, buy Tesla. So it tells you, right? So you can always come here and you see signals of what's happening. It tells you that, hey, buy NVIDIA, and it tells you the entry point, the target point, the stop, and everything. So basically you have everything you need to make money. right, in the stock market. And this is the signal, right, for the leader. You know, from me who built the app, if I see a signal that is going up, or I'm trading, making money, I can put that here so everybody that is using the app can also see it, right? And this app, what is great about it, it has the notifications. So you can choose which notification you can have, right? You can have a push notification, AI, the search notification from here. You can, anything that you save in your watch list, which we saw earlier, which you can trigger, will give you a strong strong kind of like notifications. Volume spike, it will give you all of that, and you're just gonna keep. You can create your own alerts, and it will give you recent alert, and you will never miss anything, right? So if you're on your phone, you can turn the alert on and it'll give it to you. So right now, I'm testing this, but in the future, I'm testing with an email or whatever name. But in the future, this is coming as a premium, right? So $29.99 give you everything. But right now, I'm just kind of showcasing. This video is private, so I can kind of, you know, let the people who knows that you know, I love to do this, by the way. So this is also really good functionality I built as part of this, right? So you can see, you can turn the screen dark and you can turn it back, right? So that's really good, where some days, you know, you cannot see, some days you can see. And this also collapse, where you don't need it, it goes away. And you have all these free things to kind of put your brokerage tab and things here, right? And so, and you can also log out and it bring you back to the screen that I was showing you earlier. So this is what I really want to show you, which is very interesting, and I'm going to be launching it in the market less than a month. And, you know, I have it tested by a lot of community and folks where, you know, I work with and code with, and this is really good. Going is live data, is not delaying, and you know, I look forward to continuously showing you this and showing you the outcome of this. You might see it. The name is TradeHive. The domain will be TradeHiveAI.com, right? TradeHiveAI.com, and then, you know, I'll share it with all of you. This video is privately made, so it's not public. So if it comes to you, you can share it, but, you know, be cautious about, you know, about who you share it with. So bye bye.